Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorial how to brush hair. So as example, I will create for brush hair. You can click new file, go into settings. I will use custom and you can set 500 with 500. Click create, go to brush tools and then click the option. I will use soft round and for size you can decrease. For hardness, like I will set into 35 and you can click on the canvas like this. The next, you can go to edit and then click on define brush preset. Click OK. And after it, click these icons to edit the brush. Check for shape dynamic. You can set control into fade. And also in here, you can set for the value into 100. Or I will set into 75. The next for the transfer. Check again into fade control. And we set into 200 in here. Now you can click this icon and click new brush preset. I will set into hair, pick a sample, click OK. You can open your file, like in here I will open this photo and then you can set for the color and click in it and I will set into this color. Okay, again, now you can resize the brush and after it you can apply, click hold to create the brush hair. Okay, I will click again in here. So very easy for you to create the brush hair with these steps. Okay, that's it for a basic Photoshop tutorial how to brush hair. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.